capturing this through my window after I've posted all my work on my Google Classroom, and it's possible that we can work from home. And look at all this. All the birds are flying happily. And yesterday I caught eagle. It was so majestic. It glided through and through. It seems happy. And look at all these birds.